moving on to our retail investor of the year, and I'd like to call up the sponsor of it is MDDP, and I'd like to call up Justyna Soszczak to give this award away. Justyna, please come join us on the stage.
And here are the nominees: Atrium European Real Estate, Valman Asset Management, CBR Global Investors, CPI Property Group, DWS Globe Trade Center, Griffin Real Estate, Invesco Real Estate, Newbridge Poland, and WB Carey.
So, Justyna, thank you for sponsoring this award and for MDDP to be a sponsor of the event, and we really appreciate you helping us out with this.
So the winner is Atrium European Real Estate.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this recognition, and we do appreciate this. And I must also admit that it's a well-deserved award for this year, especially for the entire M&A team, and in particular Aristoparis, who cannot be tonight with us. But I can imagine that it's not only for our iconic investment, the Warsaw Junior that we closed just last Tuesday, but you must be aware that during the last 12 months we closed 12 different transactions. And it's not only on the Polish market, but also Slovak, Czech, Romania, and Hungarian market. So it was really a busy time, challenge, and kind of promising time as regards the action for changing the current strategy. So now we have the additional motivation to celebrate, and thank you very much again.
Yes, congratulations, and come over here for a photo with us. Yep.